you should look out for. Hacker can easily track your phone without you know carry will learn how to detect such malicious activities. A smartphone can be tracked. Traders like when you make a purchase using lines on it, someone can monitor your phone to keep tab on you all your activities. This includes phone calls, browser activities, videos, photos, text, apps, and more. This is often done spyware, a form of malware designed for monitoring a device's activities remotely. However, necessarily means that the hacker can also get all information at once. For instance, the hacker may be able to see what you browse and whom you to connect with, but your activity depends on what surveillance software is being used. If surveillance apps explicitly carry out phone tracking for the purposes of parental control, as they have various features including location sharing, remote controls, etc. But what if a malicious hacker is tracking your phone? It is impossible for an unauthorized user to track your phone without physically accessing your devices unless you did any of the following things: unlikely installs and malicious apps from the third-party app store, shared credential through a scam campaign, used outdated device software for an extended time. Now that you know that is possible to spy on your phone, how to know if someone is tracking your phone? There are a few indications that could help you to know that someone is tracking your phone. 1. A rooted or jailbreaking phone. You should also check if your phone is rooted to Android or if it's jailbroken device as iOS. Your device. This can threaten your security and privacy. Jailbreaking and rooted devices can disable crucial security and privacy features on your phone, as well as security updates. This can be unauthorized people access to encrypted data and the greater ability to conduct excessive background data uses. Try to frequently monitor the background data uses of your devices. If it is noticeably higher than what used regularly, it is wise to check what is using most of it. You should also make sure what you do not have an activities hotspot enabled. If you do, verify if you have an unauthorized device connected. 3. Browser history mismatch checking. Your browser is that you do not recognize. You have been infected with this spyware. Some malicious actors may try to load up site or other nasty program remotely to install spyware and conduct other illicit act on your device. 4. Unknown apps. Something malicious going on in your smartphone when using your phone. You should look out for applications that you don't remember installing. Malicious apps often download more tools to help achieve the goal for extracting information or monitoring the device. If you spot any unknown app or site and red flag, do something for background research into this app to see if you have reported as dangerous and delete it immediately if you feel the unsafe. 5. Suspicious permission. If your phone starts asking that you grant random a suspicious permission, there may be someone on other trying to access more of your data. Never grant any permission unless you know the reason behind the request and you know that you can fully trust the app requesting further access or investigation. Why? 6. Better brain. Running out of the power. If you notice a sudden better brain in your device, you need to verify the background app and download everything is okay. Spyware often drain the battery as it runs in the background, so keep an eye. 7. Frequent overheating. There are many causes of an overheating phone and tracking is one of them. If your phone is overheating on a regular basis and you have eliminated the possible causes, then you may be dealing with something more malicious like tracking software. This runs in the background generating excess energy. It is also why your battery might drain faster. 8. Abnormal reboot. While abnormal reboots can also mean an hardware issue, it is better to get the problem checked by an expert to find out why it is happening. If you do not have any hardware issue, malicious software could be acting up on your phone. How to stop phone tracking and stay safe. If you are almost sure you are being monitored, here's what you can do to stop phone tracking. Uncheck location information from all apps. Force stop all apps in phone. With the force stop app, there you can get a button. Just click on that application and it will wash out all the app and force stop. Uninstall unknown application and force application block listing. Install application from official app store like Google Play Store. Factory reset your smartphone if you have parental control app a feature enabled on your smartphone. Avoid opening email attachment or link from unknown senders. Consider installing an antivirus app. Usually the best course of an action stop phone tracking is a far for a factory reset. It ensures that you get rid of any malicious app service or file from your device without needing to spend a lot of time verifying stuff on your device. Thank you.